Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I want to explain question paper 2021 NEET chemistry paper I want to explain. If you like this video, please share to your friends, and if you visiting first time my channel, subscribe, like and comment whatever the topics you need. Please comment. In comment you have to tell. So let us see paper analysis, NEET 2021 chemistry paper analysis. Yes, so in second year solid state they given 2 questions, electrochemistry 2 questions they given, chemical kinetics 2 questions, surface chemistry 2 questions, solutions 2 questions. So already you know that this all belongs to physical chemistry. Next one, D and F block elements 2 questions, coordination compounds also 2 questions, P block 3 questions they given, metallurgy 2 questions they given. Next, haloalkanes and haloarenes 2 questions, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids 3 questions they given, amines 2 questions they given, alcohols, phenols and ethers 1 question they given. Actually it is they given based on preparation of alcohol and also IUPAC nomenclature they asked. Next one, so biomolecules only they given 1 question, polymers also 1 question, chemistry everyday life also 1 question they given. Next, so in first PUC chemical bonding they given 2 questions, and thermodynamics 2 questions they given, states of matter 2 questions, acids and bases only 1 question they given. Next, to general organic chemistry 2 questions they given, hydrocarbons 3 questions, and S block elements 2 questions they given. Next, atomic structure, so only 1 question they given, that too 1 question from only that frequency and wavelength question they given. And actually this question, whatever the question is there in atomic structure, directly they given from textbook. Periodic table also 1 question, basic concepts of chemistry also 1 question they given, redox reactions 1 question, hydrogen and its compounds also 1 question they given, environmental chemistry so 1 question they given. So this is the blueprint of different lessons. And next let us see on which lesson, on which topic they asked. So I am going to stressing the topics also. For suppose if you take solid state, they given the question from tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids and Bravais crystal lattices, on that they given. Electrochemistry, if you see Kohlrausch law applications, so 2 questions based on Kohlrausch law only they asked to find the limiting molar conductivity of weak electrolyte 1 they asked, and to find the acid dissociation constant K they asked. Next question, solutions. Yes, next solution on basis of osmotic pressure and Raoult's law they framed the question. And if you see D and F, very simple question on basis of lanthanide contraction they given, and the properties of lanthanides and actinides 2 questions they given from. So next to D and F. Yes, next let us see coordination compounds. In coordination compounds, my dear students, they given EDTA based on EDTA, and next to magnetic property of complexes they given. In metallurgy, blast furnace temperature and refining methods, distillation method they given. This is the micro analysis from which lesson, which topic. So they given, I am going to explain haloalkanes and haloarenes. If you see, so they asked based on Sedgwick rule and bond enthalpy of carbon and haloid bond, CX bond they given. Yes, aldehydes and ketones and carboxylic acid, I told you 3 questions they given from the aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. In that first question, use of sodium borohydride, chromyl chloride reagent, HVZ esterification and holoform Gattermann-Koch reactions. On basis of that questions they asked. Next, if you see amines, they asked the question on Hinsberg reagent, one interconversion reaction, alcohols preparation by using Grignard reagent they given. Next, biomolecules, very simple question they asked directly, vitamin B12 and polymers. In polymers, Teflon, about Teflon is an example for addition polymer, they given the question. Next, so let us see chemistry in everyday life. They asked on basis of analgesics, narcotic and non-narcotic analgesics, based on that they asked. Yes, I told you previously, P black elements, they given the question from acidic strength of hydrogen halides, polar and non-polar molecules, and properties of noble gases. They given 3 questions from P black they given. Yes, next one, chemical bonding. So what they asked, hybridization and shapes of molecules, states of matter. If you take the states of matter lesson on Boyle's law, they given one graph. And also, so next question they asked based on PV is equal to nRT, and by combiningly with Dalton's law of partial pressure they given the question. Yes, next one, yes, thermodynamics. So a very simple question, directly they given Cp minus Cv is equal to R, and what the conditions required for irreversible expansion of gases they asked. And if you see the acids and bases ionic equilibrium lesson, they given the question on pH of salt of weak acid and weak base. Next one, yes, S black, if you see BeCl2 structure in solid state, at the given BeCl2, again BeCl2 only they asked the property, the solubility property of BeCl2 they asked. Yes, hydrocarbons. Next to anti-Markovnikov rule. Based on anti-Markovnikov rule, they framed one question, and conformations of ethane, they framed one question, and use of soda lime. Soda lime is nothing but the mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide, they given the question. Yes, next to basic concepts of chemistry, really simple question, directly they asked on empirical formula and molecular formula. Next, redox reactions, metal displacement reaction, an example for metal displacement reaction they asked. Yes, next one, hydrogen and its compounds, very easy question, isotopes of hydrogen they asked. Periodic table, isoelectronic species, on basis of isoelectronic species they asked. Atomic structure, if you see, yes, I told you previously, frequency and wavelength relation they given. Next to environmental chemistry, so acid rains, ozone layer depletion, and about the smog they given. So matching type of question, just you can see that. Next, GOC, general organic chemistry, general principles of organic chemistry. One question they asked IUPAC nomenclature, and second question they asked isomerism, that too metamerism, about metamerism they asked. Next one, surface chemistry. Surface chemistry, they asked about the Tyndall effect. Next one, so after the surface chemistry, chemical kinetics, they given the question from Arrhenius equation, and also activation energy graph. Overall they given 2 graphs, first one Boyle's law and second one activation energy graph. Next one, so yes my dear students, if you see section A, you know that this year 2021 out of 50 questions, section A 35 questions carries and section B carries the 15 questions. Yes, so I am going to analyze section A overall view. So in section A, organic chemistry questions, how many 11, physical chemistry questions 13, and inorganic chemistry questions 11. Out of 35 from first year, 15 questions they given, and second year questions 20 questions total. Out of the 35, 15 from first year and 20 from second year. In section A they given. Next one, section B. Next to section B. In section B, yes, you know that 15 questions they asked. So out of the 15 questions, first year 5 questions and second year 10 questions they given. Overall in section B also, so most of the questions they asked from only which second year only they asked. Next one, and finally let us see the percentage of marks. If you see first year 20 questions out of 50 questions, 20 questions they given from first year and 30 questions they given from second year. It means first year carries 40%, second year carries 60%. Next, so this is the overall view, and thank you for watching this video. If you like, please comment and subscribe my channel. And total this explanation may given in description as a PDF. You can download and you can write as a notes. Thank you for once again watching this video. Thank you for all.